Hey guys, Jer here. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing you guys an awesome opportunity, which is the children's entertainment industry. Okay, now according to research guys, the children's entertainment market has reached to $11.2 billion in the year of 2022, and it keeps on growing until today's day. And with the help of AI, you can easily tap into this $1 billion market and start profiting. Okay, now there is this product guys called KidToons. Now this product is a complete done for you business in a box. Now if you don't know anything about video, you don't know how to create video, you don't know how to use a software to create video, this is a perfect solution for you guys. Okay, because you will be able to access guys to a huge collection of ready to use children videos that you can upload or you can syndicate into your social media accounts, or you can sell this done for you videos as you are the creator of this video. So you will be getting a private label rights to sell this video, put your name as the creator, and without any restriction you can sell this to anywhere. Okay, now let me show you guys what are the examples of these videos here. So let me go to the sample section here. So these are the sample of videos here. This comes with different variations, by the way guys. It comes with animals video stories. It also comes with adventure video stories, or it also has this doctor here. So you will be able to access to this done for you, ready to use. And the best part guys, these videos can be easily edited using free software, which is CapCut. Okay, let me actually play one of the example of this. For example, this one here.
Inventor. In a little town filled with wonder, there was a boy named Rayan.
Right, so that's the example. You can check out the full examples of their videos in the sales page here. I'm not gonna play all of those videos because I might get copyright. But again, this comes with different variations, and there's also this elephant here. Okay, so I'm gonna play some part of this video here.
The Honest Rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a...
Right, and now there is this channel guys here called Get Done Jolly Kids. Now this channel guys has like 1.4 million subscribers, and they're getting millions of views guys. Okay, for example, this one here, let me show you. So this one here, 116,000 views, 340,000 views, 4,000, 6,000, 15,000. They also have like millions of views here. Like for example, this one has like 2 million views, 1.7 million views, 5.1 million views. This one is this 17 million views. Okay, and they're getting so much views and attention using these videos. And you can do the same just by simply grabbing this done for you videos. Again, this comes with private label rights, so you will never have to worry about copyright. You have the right to re-upload this in your social media account or resell this done for you videos and get profit as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, you can check out the examples of their videos here. Now the best part about this guys is that this also comes with done for you marketing materials. So if you want to sell these videos to your customer, they also include some materials that you can use, like for example the sales page. Okay, you can also get access into the email swipes and the download pages. So if you're not a website savvy, then you can just use their marketing materials like their sales page, their download page, and then their video sales letter Like for example, this video sales letter here. So you'll be able to rebrand this product and sell this as your own product, as you are the creator of this product, right? Right, and you can sell this over and over again without any limitation and without any restriction. Okay, so yeah. Now, if you guys decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I prepared some awesome bonuses, guys, that would help you guys out with this. Okay, my bonus number one is I'm gonna give away, guys, 1,000 children's ebook. This also comes with PLR, so you can also put your name as the creator of this ebook and sell this, you know, automatically, and sell this over and over again. Okay, so that's my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm also gonna give away 600 plus coloring pages. So this also comes with private label rights, so you guys can also resell this as your own product. Okay, then my bonus number three is I'm gonna give away, guys, a software which allows you guys to convert any image into whiteboard video with hand sketch animation like this. Okay, so you can turn whatever image into whiteboard video. And then my next bonus for you guys is my upcoming product, which is eCover V. This is going to be launching on the 14th of December this month. So you guys can also access into this product for 100% free. I'm selling this for $27 and you'll be able to access this for free. Okay. And then I'm also going to give away my first ever product, which is Video Vertical. So this is going to also help you guys out drive free traffic. So this is a step-by-step comprehensive video training that will show you guys how to create pro quality short and vertical videos using CapCut software. And I'm selling this, guys, for $16 and you'll be able to get this bonus for free. Okay, you're also going to get access to these other bonuses right here. Okay, and then you also going to get access, guys, to this 30,000 done for you video, so you can also automatically post this video into your social media account, start driving traffic into your product or affiliate offer. Okay, so those are all of my bonuses, and you also going to get access, guys, to the vendor bonuses. So let me show you guys what are those bonuses here. Right, so you also going to get access to this static and animated landscape background. So these are the examples here. You're also going to get access to this logo template. So these are the examples here. So okay, so these are the examples here, and you can easily edit these logos. You're also going to get access, guys, to this whiteboard video assets. So these are like hundreds of whiteboard video assets that you can use. You're also going to get access to another whiteboard video assets, which is part 2. Okay, you'll be getting hundreds of those assets. You're also going to get access to this animated characters bundle. Okay, so you can easily use these characters into your project. Okay, so these are the characters here. You're also going to get access to video explainer assets. You're also going to get access to 50 premium badge, and then 50 objects, and then 1,200 explainer video assets. And then you're also going to get access to animated video assets here. You're also going to get access to infographics bundle. So these are the infographics here. You're also going to get access to marketing graphics bundle. So you'll be getting tons and tons of bonuses. Again, you can check out these bonuses now by visiting my bonus page down in the description of this video. Okay, now I'm not going to explain too much all of these bonuses because it will take us a lot of time, but you will be able to access all of these bonuses. And there's also this instant ebook or e-cover creator, right? So you can create e-covers and these other bonuses right here, right? So those are all of my bonuses, guys, if you decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. Bye.